So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to change your profile picture on your Uber driver application. So first, you need to access your Uber application and make sure it is set or it is the rider or driver application. Once you're in, you will be needing to click the account section, which is located at the bottom navigation bar at rightmost corner. And when you click on that, you will see this page and you just have to click on the help button. And once you're in, you will see all topics below, which is a bunch of options have shown, and you just have to click on the account. Once you click on the account, you will see a bunch of options as well. And you will see under the account settings is the change rider profile picture. You just have to click on that and you will now see how to change your rider profile picture. And you could click the yes button if this article or these instructions help you. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.